In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the rate of change from a graph. So if we have a problem like this that says the students kept track of the number of math tests each year, what is the rate of change between the year 2012 and 2013? So here we have our graph, and here we have the number of tests, and this is the year. So 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15. This little squiggly line means that we don't have data for the number of tests that's lower than 7, okay? So now we need to find the rate of change between here and here. So let's do that. So the first step is to remember slope equals the change in y over the change in x. That is the same as rate of change. And that's what we're trying to find here, the rate of change between this year and this year. So remember, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, okay? And we're trying to find the change in y over the change in x. So the rate of change equals the change in the number of tests over the change in time. So the change in the number of tests is what's changing in y, okay, from here. And then the change in time is what's changing from here on the x-axis. So we're going to try to find the change between these 2 points. So here, for this point, the number of tests is 15, and on this point, the number of tests is 7. So it's 15 tests minus 7 tests. And then the change in time is 2013 minus 2012, okay? So that equals 15 minus 7 is 8 tests in 1 year, because 2013 minus 2012 is 1 year. So that means it's 8 tests in 1 year. Or you could just say it 8 tests per year. So the rate of change between 2012 and 2013 is 8 tests per year. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. It's like a read-along book. So now, if you need extra help, also look in the description, and you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. And you could look at those if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.